Here's this Maytag 10,000 BTU air conditioner that I picked up from the scrapyard today. My buddy down there just gave it to me, and I opened it up already because everything inside was completely cockeyed and kind of bent, and I fixed that, but it's seen a lot better days. I think this thing's just about had it. Look at that coil. Just look at it. Take it all in. Just take it all in. But then this down here, it's a shame that evaporator was bent to hell when I got it. It's still pretty bad. I couldn't get it all the way out, but damn. I'm gonna see if I can fix this thing, because 10,000 BTUs, that'd be pretty nice. But worst comes to worst, I'll just recover it, strip it down and send it back. He said he'd pay me for it, so I got my EPA 608 certification finally, so I can use the recovery machine that's been sitting in the garage forever. Yeah, but that's her. It's got about a pound of R22 in it though, so cover that. It's still good. The compressor's not seized or burnt out, so it's not